Good morning. We're going to be making a healthy breakfast today. I'm just going to be throwing in here some vegetables, and we've got some cherry tomatoes and some red onions. This is mindful eating. Today we will be doing a healthy breakfast, and it's going to be a omelette with a tortilla wrap, and we're gonna just make this very quickly. Shouldn't take a few minutes to make. So basically right now I'm just quickly frying up the vegetables here. As you can see, like I just explained to you, we've got some red onions and some cherry tomatoes, and then we are going to be pouring the egg over it, and then we're going to be cooking it after. It shouldn't take too long for this to saute and fry here. Just waiting for it to soften. Now if you want to crunch, it's up to you. I want it a little bit softened, and then I'm going to quickly add the eggs. And now we are going to add the eggs. Look at that. Nice rich eggs early on a wonderful morning. So basically we're going to just let it set at the bottom. I've already added salt and pepper already, so I don't need to add any more. And we're just going to let this quickly set like this. If you want to add cheese, you're welcome to add cheese. I don't think I'll be adding cheese to mine, or maybe later on. And I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards once I've flipped it over. So here we are with the finished product. So this is the healthy breakfast I was telling you about. So basically what I've done, I managed to do like an omelette. It's got tomatoes in it, red onion, and I topped it off with some grated cheddar. Now basically with this, I did not use a whole lot of oil. I probably used maybe half a teaspoon of oil. I didn't use any butter. And basically this is the finished product. I do hope today was interesting for someone. Please continue to watch Mindful Eating, continue to like and subscribe. I hope this breakfast was a